Check. Test. It's gonna be a problem. There's a lot of rain. We're gonna have to film inside, boys. I love rain. I wanted to be outside today, but it's not gonna work. Now it goes away. I can't trust it though. Me back inside, huh? Alright, it's been a few minutes. I think it's gone. We're just gonna stay here. Boys, I've been wanting to do this series for so freaking long. However, I don't know how easily YouTube's gonna share this, but I wanted to do it anyway. So, boys, this is what I bought when I'm stoned. I even brought this guy here to set the mood. So first off, I don't promote any of this. As you guys know, I suffer, as everyone does, some like pretty crazy anxiety. So I medicinally do a little something that inevitably makes me feel better, but also makes me purchase a lot of stupid things. Like literally 1 to 10 things a week are gonna come in that you guys don't even see me unbox on video. It's just something I run straight to my room to unbox before my girlfriend sees, because she already thinks I'm a little dumb. Today, let's see what we got. I don't remember what we have, really. I kind of remember one, but I know this is stuff that I bought, well, a little bit STONED. Once again, do not promote if you're under the age. No, it's not cool. Generally, when I'm doing videos or buying something for videos, I write down the tracking number with the product so I know it's for videos. This stuff doesn't match any of the tracking numbers I've written down, which means I just was gonna buy it and not show anyone because I'm probably embarrassed. Most of the things I buy when I'm in this state, I just don't use. I unbox it and I say, dude, you're an idiot. Why would you do this? But without further ado, boys, because YouTube's not gonna share this and I don't recommend doing this either, just leave a thumbs up, comment down below if you want more of this series. We're starting off light. We only have 2 crazy packages from the past week. Hopefully there's some cool stuff in here. Later on though, I guarantee you other weeks we might have 10, 12, 15 products. I'm always buying things and most of the time, once again, it's dumb. It's like about time you guys see some of this stuff. Boys, let's get in the first thing. Everything I bought off Amazon. Once again, nothing that maybe anyone's gonna be interested in, but I think it's funny, maybe. I don't know. This one feels squishy. I feel like I got a wig or something, because it definitely doesn't feel like a t-shirt. Okay, here we go. So this is the type of stuff. This is not abnormal for me to buy, boys. A dumb fucking unboxing. You idiot! Dude, okay, I've always wanted one of these as a kid, man. I remember I saw them on Amazon the other day. I don't know what I was gonna do with them, but I always wanted a pair of these. I do remember, I was like, I don't know if it's gonna be the best quality, so I bought 2. These things are sick, man. I think I might get rid of the nose. Just the eyebrows. Ugh. No, maybe not. I'm already regretting doing this video. It's stupid, isn't it? Next up, I'm looking at this. I don't even know why I'm showing this. I got a bead of hair. I don't know what my plan was, boys. Usually I come up with some crazy video ideas and maybe that's why I buy this stuff, but the fact that I didn't put it beside the things that are for videos means I had some sort of weird plan with this. Now I'm just left with a fucking wig. See, sometimes, most of the time, I think it's kind of funny when I actually end up getting the stuff in the mail, but this just doesn't make any sense to me. I must have had a plan, boys. I don't know what the hell I was gonna do with this. Is this real? Is that real hair? They don't sell wigs with real hair, do they? That can't be. Oh, that freaked me out. Is it? I don't know. Oh, there's gray hairs in it, dude. This might be real hair. Can you, is that what they, I don't want it. Last up, boys. Oh boy, I'm regretting this video. I'm really regretting this video. I love rainy days, like I was saying. I was just like sitting around and getting rid of my anxiety a little bit. I'm like, I'll unbox this stuff. Keep in mind, this video's gonna probably be about 4 minutes, but it's bonus. I'm trying to put out videos every day for you guys. So if some are just like, I'm gonna take these off now. If some are like, just like a little shorter, whatever. I just like talking to you guys. This last one, actually though, I think this one's jewelry. Actually, I know it's jewelry because I know by now what packages feel like. And do I, yep, this is, okay, so, oh no. I thought maybe I'd do a video with this. I bought a goddamn Ferrari watch. I don't even know how much I spent on this. Probably hundreds. Probably hundreds. As you guys know, I have this watch right now. I bought it for a bad amount of money. It's Gucci with diamonds, but you can't see the damn diamonds. The whole thing is embarrassing to wear because I made the worst mistake of my life purchasing this. Maybe well known, but we're not sure. Once again, don't promote doing this at all, once again. At all. I've been looking for a new watch. Something just kind of like not that flashy, but cool, which is why I bought a fucking Ferrari one. I'm trying to say I'm not trying to be cool, but I bought a Ferrari watch for a reason. This can't be good though, because it's not good. I remember just being like, we'll take the chance on it, boys. What in the fuck is that? It's just a plastic watch you'd see from frickin' Dollarama called the Rari watch instead of the Ferrari. This one's actually Ferrari made though. That's what's cool about it. So if someone's like, yo, you got a Ferrari, and I say, yeah, I'm not lying, it's got a Ferrari watch, that kind of sucks a little bit. Yeah, this is, I don't know what I was thinking. I was pretty sure I remembered what this was. I added this in the video because this is something probably I wouldn't end up showing you guys. I buy a lot of things for videos and I'm like, this will be sick. Never show you guys. It's a little embarrassing. This probably was gonna be one of them. I mean, it's not bad. If somebody wants this, I guess I could return it. But if somebody, I don't know, 500 thumbs up within 5 hours of this video, and I'll give this away to someone. It's a nice watch. It's just not that good. It looks like it'd be swimming in the ocean with a bunch of sharks down deep below the surface. Guaranteed there's aliens in the ocean. There's spaceships have been seen going down like in the ocean lately. Anyway, I'm trying to say it looks like a diver watch. It just looks like something that's going to be absolutely waterproof because it's crap. It's made of absolute rubber. Just another purchase I regret buying. Probably a bad start for the series if we're gonna make it. This is just a little prequel, I guess, because we didn't buy too much, but I'm left now with 2 pairs of these glasses because one wasn't enough, and a bead of hair that I'm never touching again because that could very well be human hair, and I'm kind of actually a weird fear of mine is human hair. I don't like it at all. If I find some on my clothing that's not from my dog or my cat, I flip out. Anyway, we have to have some sort of jewelry in this, I guess. You guys let me know about the Ferrari watch. Is that a cool purchase to you? Would you guys wear this, or is it just even more lame that it says Ferrari and I'm clearly wearing a lame watch without any care, only because it says Ferrari on it? Bonus video today, boy. I'm really down with putting out some more shorter ones in days where I take off, and if you guys want to watch, you watch. If you don't, you don't. Appreciate you guys for watching, making the game the greatest of all time. I'm gonna go edit this and sit outside and watch the rain. Hopefully it thunderstorms. Love that shit.